This how to 1 minute will show you how to generate images with Midjourney. To generate image with Midjourney, first of all, we need to join to Midjourney Discord server. To do that, open a browser and type here discord.gg/Midjourney. Click on accept invite. Continue to Discord. I'm gonna skipping this part from here. And as you can see, I've successfully joined to the Midjourney Discord server. So I'm gonna opening the server here and scroll down to the left hand side, and here you get these new base rooms. So you can open any room for these 4 options. So I'm gonna opening new base 10. And once you're here, first of all, enter a slash and type imagine and click on the prompt. And now simply add those keywords you are thinking to make an image with. For example, I'm giving here angry cat, give a comma, dark sky, comma, horrible background, and also adding dragon in sky. And to get the best result, enter these 3 keywords extra: hyper realistic, comma, 4K, comma, and use version 4, and hit enter to send the command. And it may take some time to generate the photo here. And as you can see, my AI has been successfully generated. And now I want to take this first one. So I'm going to selecting here U1. UI mean this first one. Selecting U1 and I'm going to waiting until it's generate. And here you can see the final photo has been successfully generated. Now I can click on open in browser, and now right click on it to save the photo. So that's how you can generate AI photos using Midjourney Discord server. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.